with Mike Meyer DIY. Hey, recently, actually yesterday, I found that something I told you on one of my videos doesn't seem to be true. And it has to do with closed captioning here on YouTube. I just uploaded a video twice, and neither time could I get closed captioning on it. So I thought it was in my earlier video I stated that I thought it was because I hit publish before it was finished loading, and I didn't do it that on these two times, and it still didn't have closed captioning. So I'm going to go ahead and attach this little snippet here that I'm making right now, that I'm talking, and put it on the very same video and reload it, everything else the same, and see if that does it. So that's really the reason I'm putting this on the beginning of it. I don't really like filming myself. I mean, at my age, we're not exactly uh, photogenic. uh, so anyway, get used to it. If this is makes it have closed captioning, I'll try to put something on the beginning of every video of speaking directly into the camera. So bear with me. Um, if I say something on one of my videos and I find out that I'm telling you bad information, I'm going to try to get it back to you so that I'm not spreading bad information. So here we go. We're testing right now. Bye. Spotted a strange creature out here in this guy's yard. Thought it was a turtle at first, but it's not. Doesn't make any noise. Right behind those bushes over there. Here he comes back. See it? Look at it. Wow. backing up. Oh, he's turning around. Look at him. There he goes. I used to see people come out here and mow this lawn. They'd have to bring their lawnmowers. It was like a service, and they'd bring their lawnmowers out in a boat. And this guy, now he's got his own little robot. Does a nice job too. Look how smooth it is. Looks like he's only cutting about, I don't know, 10 inches, maybe a foot. But he goes and goes and goes. Look at him. It's kind of spooky in a way. I did think it was a turtle at first. I just got a glimpse of it going through there. I was fishing right here and like, what the hell was that? And then I realized